this is Gabrielle Ishell coming to you live from my living room. I just wanted to switch up the scenery a little bit today, so we have my pink comfy pillows instead of my kitchen refrigerator in the background today. So I originally wanted to do a video showing how to achieve the perfect braid out, but I switched up some techniques last night when I was braiding my hair, and the braid out didn't really meet my expectations. It's still cute. I'm getting adjusted to it, but it doesn't meet my standards. So I wanted to instead do a video about the do's and the don'ts of a perfect braid out. So if you are interested, keep on watching. But first, I want you to do one thing for me. Please hit the subscribe button. It is right here. It is free and it is easy to do. Just one click of a button. Just subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notifications to be notified whenever I post a video. So I am starting on freshly washed hair. You can see me detangling. You always detangle your hair after you wash it. You definitely want to make sure your hair is untangled so that the braid can be smooth. That way when you take it out, it won't be as frizzy. And then I am going to be using the LCO method. So for the L, I am using it's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product. For the C, I am using the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. And for the O, I am using almond oil. Another do is to detangle again. In the middle of my braid, I detangled because it was getting tangled. Satin rollers. Really don't break the hair. And since I'm not natural, I've never seen it like this before, but it just has like a satin cover over the curler. Since I'm not natural, my hair not fully natural, my hair doesn't really curl at the bottom. Just do this to help me out because I can see it like unraveling already. The first don't is to not do your hair when you are tired. It was about 11 o'clock that night when I was getting to the braiding portion of my hair, and I was kind of tired, so I was just rushing through it to get things done and so I can go to sleep. Another do would be to section your hair, which I did. I am on the next to last section right now, and this really helped me out in getting everything detangled and just moving smoothly throughout the braiding process. Another do is definitely to put your satin bonnet on overnight so that you can sleep in peace without your hair getting snagged on anything. One of the most important steps is to make sure that your hair is completely dry before unraveling the braids. If not, you risk losing the amount of definition that you get in the braids. If it's not completely dry, try sitting under a hooded dryer or using a blow dryer for a little bit. Another do is to use oil when unraveling the braids and styling. This adds shine and minimizes frizz. Not too thrilled with this braid out. I should have done the way that I originally do it, which is doing 5 full cornrows going all the way back. Instead, this time I did braids in the back and then just 5 cornrows in the front that stopped right here about halfway. I also put these rollers on the ends because I wanted a little curl, but look at this curl. It's not what I wanted. That's a big curl. I thought that if I would squeeze it really tight that the curl would be as small as this, but it's still expanded and it made the curl like the size of the actual roller, and I don't like it. See, the braid out itself looks fine. Like, okay, so look, these ones, this is good. But look at this. Now this looks like natural hair. This looks like the natural hair braid out. So maybe I should have done them all this size because they're not even all the same size either. So, and this side is like more frizzy over here. So maybe I didn't put enough product. This side is okay, but it's not as juicy or as big as this side. I like this side the best. It is what it is, right? Everyone doesn't post their fails, but I'm gonna post this. And now I know what not to do. Oh look, this one's pretty. It's really pretty, but they all aren't the same, and I don't like that. So the reason I do cornrows is because then you wouldn't have like big pieces like that aren't curly. Because with a cornrow, you're braiding the whole head. You're not just starting here. So if I don't pull it tight enough, it's going to end up like this, and I don't want that. But it is fine. I'm going to make it work because that's what I do. And it's not dry all the way either. So I was rushing. I waited till the last minute. I had all yesterday to do my hair, and I waited till 8 o'clock p.m. So that is all on me. I mean, it doesn't look terrible, but it's not consistent. Like, I love this section, the thicker braids. And this one is, you can just tell the difference. It's not uniform all the way around. But like I said, we're just gonna wear it out and we're gonna see what happens. I'm still cute though. So, I'm still cute regardless. I am not my hair. And although these results didn't come out like I wanted them to, they aren't horrible. They just aren't what I expected. Like, I'm gonna show you a picture of my relaxed hair braid out, like right here. That's what I was expecting, but obviously since my texture is changing, it's gonna be a little different. And I definitely should have not used the curlers at the end. I don't like that, but whatever. Let me know what you think. Did I fail completely, or is this okay? I mean, I could walk out the house like this, I think. Let me know what you guys think. Another do is to put your hair in a pineapple overnight to preserve the style. A braid out can last for a few days if maintained properly. So I chose to do 3 pineapples. I did 1 in the front and 2 in the back. And as always, thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for my next video next week. Bye.